Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, and I'm bringing you a video today on a fleet that we are completing right now. And specifically, this is related to an Instagram post that we made a couple of weeks ago about something that we call the Lockbox by Lockdown Security. What it is, it's a DVR system, 4-camera input that we have developed that is specifically made for commercial trucks just like this one. Now, this is a fleet called Little Guys Delivery Service that we are equipping 15 trucks with 2 cameras and a DVR with 1 terabyte of storage for recording both the front camera that we've installed and the rear camera. So they're all box trucks, just like this International that I'm showing you that's running right now. I'm just going to go to the back and show you the rear camera to start, which we have mounted all the way up at the top. You will see it. I'm pointing at it right there. It's your typical infrared commercial grade camera. We've got that one on the back, which records the back area and switches when you're in reverse. So this system doubles not only as a surveillance system, but as a safety system. And then we've got one on the front windshield you'll see right there. Now I'm gonna hop in the vehicle. I'm gonna show you how this all works. Okay, so what we've got basically is the system consists of a 7-inch LCD screen, 2 cameras, commercial grade. So this is the front one that I showed you outside. This is pointed out the front window. It's got a digital DVR, digital video recorder, 4-channel input that we've got mounted in behind here. It's small enough that it fits behind the dash. And then you'll see we've got a nice mouse stashed over here. It's kind of funny. It's hidden behind the fuse panel cover. What the mouse is for controlling the DVR. And when you put the truck in reverse, it'll switch to the reverse view. As it sits right now, the reverse view can also be seen even when the truck is in park. That view, it's kind of hard to see, but that's basically directly behind the truck. So I'm just going to show you a couple of things. I'm going to use this fuse panel as my mouse pad. And let's see if I can change the view of the camera. So, it's kind of hard to see, but gives you an idea. I can view, basically, I can do a multi-screen split screen. If I had 4 cameras connected, this client only spec'd the 2 cameras, front and rear. But if I had 4, I would be able to see all 4 on the screen. It is recording all 4 inputs, even though there's no cameras on these 3 and 4 input. It is recording channel 1 and 2 at all times when this truck is running. And as mentioned, it's equipped with a 1 terabyte solid state hard drive. So this truck's gonna have about 2 weeks of video recording. And as mentioned in my Instagram post, this system is extremely inexpensive. We could do something like this for under $1,000 Canadian installed as it sits here. And that's almost unheard of with the sort of storage capacity that this system can get. So if you are a fleet owner and you are looking to equip your trucks with cameras and you want to have both the benefit of a backup camera as well as a recording system, this custom-made DVR kit that we have made called the Lockbox by Lockdown Security is the solution for you. Now, we specialize in dash cameras, video surveillance. We specialize in driver safety, remote starters, telecommunications, pretty much anything that you need for your fleet that's electronics-wise, we can help you at Lockdown Security. You can reach us at 1-866-824-4118, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, or visit us on the web at lockdownsecurity.ca. And if you need to get assistance with moving, if you're a customer and you are in the Toronto, Ontario area, Little Guys Delivery Service, they are the best guys, I would say. If you need to have something delivered, give these guys a call. 905-513-9600. With that being said, that concludes this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button. And if you could, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. Have a great day.